Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real money, my real trades, my real position, all of my money. And we're joined every day by traders and investors from all over the world who help and share their honest trades with you. And as you can see, the markets today are down. Only just, though. We've had many days of 5, 6, and even 10% down. So a lot better today. But there we go. Let's get everybody in the chat and welcome everybody in around the world. So first of all, our first person is in Echo. Have we got Echo? What's all that about? 1, 2. Like this Echo. I don't think we've got any echo coming through. Can anybody confirm that? I don't think we have. Anyway, sometimes we do have technical glitch. I don't think we have this afternoon. Anyway. Oh, sorry. Okay, good. I was reading that thinking that can't be right. I didn't think we had any echo this afternoon. Anyway, let's get straight into the trading positions. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. And give us a thumbs up. And that way you can come into the chat and let us know. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Welcome to you all this afternoon. And welcome our guests on Twitch this afternoon. And over on Twitter and Facebook and LinkedIn. Welcome to all of you. Hope you're all well and having a great afternoon. Oh, you opened me 2 times. That's how you managed to get the echo. All right. Okay, let's get straight into our positions right now. As you can see, we're down 0.5%. Not too bad. The Vanguard S&P, though, is down 0.73. So something must have popped up for me to be just a 0.5% down when the S&P is down 0.76. Let's have a little look. Virgin Galactic, this is why you have a balance of high-risk stocks with the stable stocks, because you need growth as well to get your money back and build it up. So there we go. Virgin Galactic is looking much better today, up 1.5%. Even though I'm down 16% on it, down big time. I'm not buying anymore. I know I could at 575, but I'm not. Because the upside is far greater than the downside, and when it takes off, it can be $100 a stock. So I won't care that I paid 5 or 6 for it. I'm not going to spend any more money and be dragged into a trade I don't want to get in by all this manipulation, and that's what it is. Overselling. Tesla is up 2.22. That's much better. Rivian is up 3.77. That's great as well. Lucid is up 2.27. It's good. Arrival is up 3%. Some of these stocks are looking great this afternoon. Amazon down 1.36. Some people feel it's going to go all the way down to 80. Can you believe it? I certainly hope not. Apple is up 0.36 today. Robinhood down 0.69. 718 going back down again. McDonald's is up 0.51. Coca-Cola is down 2.99 as a huge opportunity to buy Coke right now. That really is low for Coke, but I'm not gonna buy anything this afternoon at all. I haven't got any more money to spend, and I'm not going to borrow any money, so that's the right thing to do. Johnson & Johnson, great opportunities this afternoon. Stay strong, Martin. After we reach the bottom, there will be a rally. Yeah, when is the bottom coming? That's the trouble. Good afternoon, Peru. How are you this afternoon? Welcome to you. Welcome to the show. Google is up 0.28, and Microsoft is up 0.41. Meta is down 0.82. SoFi is up 4.8, looking pretty good this afternoon. If only we had some money to buy these dips this morning, or even now. If I had some money now, I would be buying a lot of these things, but unfortunately I don't. And there we go. We'll talk about the spanners and moderators in a minute when we get everybody in. There's been some upgrades on our channel and some new procedures put in place which we will explain. More blue. Yeah, we'll explain it later on during the show, why we've done that. SPCE seems to have bottoms. Let's have a look. Well, what do you think? I will explain it. It's not an error. It's not an error. We've made some changes, and I'll explain it all later in the show when everybody's in. Virgin Galactic SPCE. I mean, look at that. I'm $1,600 down, 16% down. I'd so love to buy some shares at this price. My average is now 687. I really would, but I don't have any more money on hand. And there's every reason it could go lower. There is every reason. And the thing is, it's like saying, if you go into a clothes shop and they say, this pair of jeans is on a 50% discount. Tomorrow it's on a 60% discount. Tomorrow it's on a 70% discount. And now it's on an 80% discount. Were you happy at a 50% discount? And that's the way you have to look at it. Do you think that this stock is going to go to $100? Yes, I do. Well, if you do, does it matter that you paid 6 for it or 5 or 4? It shouldn't do. It's 17% of my portfolio. If I bought some stocks right now at 574, I would have to go into margin to do it, really deep into margin to do it. And then if it falls down lower, I'm now even more in margin. It would take my portfolio from 17% to maybe 20% of Virgin Galactic, and that would be unbalanced. That would be buying with emotion. It might look great. It might be tempting me, saying, come on, buy me, I'm 16% down. But when this stock goes to 20, 30, I won't even care, will I? And there will be people paying 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, all the way up to 100 when it pops up. So it won't matter whether I paid 5 or 6 for it. You've got to know when to walk away. And as much as I would love to buy it at this price, would you keep buying pairs of jeans if you already had 20 pairs in the wardrobe? Well, yeah, but it's 80% discount. So what, you're gonna buy 25 pairs of jeans you can never wear. I'm not saying this is the same, because you could never have enough money. But what's your target? What are you aiming for? And for me, overspending and getting beyond control and loading up on margin, so I'm a spanner for the money I've lost recently. There we go. You keep buying dips. You keep thinking it's the bottom. And then another bottom comes. Like I said on Twitter yesterday, what do you get if you cross a dip with another dip? You get dippity-doo-dah. And that's what you get. You get more dips. You get more dips. And just got to go, enough's enough. I mean, look, you bought this morning and now it's falling back down again. That's the market we're in right now. So I'm not buying anything. I'm not selling anything either. I'm just holding. All I'm doing is holding. Because now you have to ask yourself, what would happen if Virgin Galactic went to $1? Would you buy it at $1? Or would you think it's about to go bankrupt? Because remember, that is the road to bankruptcy. If a stock keeps going down and down and down, eventually you've got to start going, hang on a minute, why is everybody sold out? What do I not know? Is the stock about to go bankrupt? And at that point, obviously, you shouldn't even be in. At that point, your money's all gone to nothing. But so I'm not buying anything else. I control my own path. I'm not prepared to play any more whale games and keep loading up. Reverse split at 150. Yeah, well, they'd have to. They would have to reverse split to hold it in the index. Didn't you own Redbox? I did for a second. Completely ridiculous. I shouldn't have ever got involved with it. What's it doing today? You're going to tell me it's gone up, right? I want to get back to owning decent stocks. Decent stocks, okay? SoFi is up 4.8% today. Same thing, look, I'm down 15%. Oh, great, load up. Lower the averages. But people are obsessed with lowering the averages. The average is just a number on a screen. The value of the stock is the value of the stock. Yeah, I didn't buy. I bought Redbox for a bit of fun and immediately got out of it. That is gambling. I mean, like we said before, if you're going to buy a TV station, then buy Netflix if you really want to do that. But like I said, for Netflix, they don't do anything proprietary. They don't do anything anyone else can't do. Apple have a TV, network, and Hulu and Amazon and everybody else. They can put the same programs on any network, and people can. And what I don't like about it is people can unsubscribe from any network in a heartbeat, and it's all over, finished. So it's like you guys. You could all unsubscribe from my channel and all leave, and there's no one here. Done, finished. So that's not the way I think it. I wouldn't invest in that. And I am annoyed at myself that I managed to get pulled in by our young friend Caden Youngquist. I knew better than that. Should never have done it, but there you go. I got in and out straight away. You lose a lot on it. I'm not surprised. You would lose a lot on it. You have to listen to me. I have to listen to you, do I? Arnold the Palmer. Who are you then? Why should I listen to you? You're over there on Twitch today. Lovely to have you here. First time chat from viewer. Oh, SpaceXB1 reverse split. We got a viewer. Didn't realise that you were over there on Twitch. I want to welcome you in, SpaceXB1. Well, we're trying to get 50 followers. We're back at 48. So if you could follow me on Twitch, that'd be very kind of you. Now, if you're a space fan, you might be interested to know that in a week or so, I plan on releasing our campaign on Kickstarter. And this is it here. And we've got 14 followers now. And what I'm hoping to do is, if I get funded, I funded most of it myself, 90% myself. I just did a bit. I couldn't finish it off, as obviously the stocks are all down. And I've got 14 followers. Here it is. And I'm planning on making a movie, going to the space station in the UK and making a movie there, and also interviewing the players of Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit. And then the next part of the campaign will be go to the spaceport in the US and Virgin Galactic. So there you go. Very exciting stuff. If you're interested, I'm trying to get funded within 1 hour. The moment I pull the pin, when I think I've got enough people, let me post it 3 times. When I've got enough people that are ready to support me, then I will go for it. So far, after about 4 or 5 days of promotion, I've got 14 followers. Well, I need more than that. I'm not asking very much money. Can I ask Arnold, cut the language out, please? We don't have that sort of language on our channel, please. Appreciate it very much. Anyway. So anyway, that's my campaign if you're interested. And I would love to buy a ticket on Virgin Galactic. And I am talking hopefully, when I meet the people at Virgin Galactic, would love to be able to get a ticket. Now I've registered my interest to buy a ticket. I've registered. I am now in the list of people to buy a ticket, but I am not in a position to pay for it right now. But I am certainly interested in getting a ticket. It's nothing to do with age, Arnold. We just don't like swearing on the channel, that's all. It's just not what we do here. Arrival is up 2.42. Amazon is down 2%. Apple is 0.01. We try to be a professional financial channel with integrity, decency, education. There are loads of YouTube channels that where the traders dress up in silly masks and hats and sunglasses and swear all day long. You can go and watch one of those channels if that's more entertaining for you, but that's not what we do here. All right, there's no clickbait or drama or sensationalism or any bad language. Microsoft is up 0.13 today, and Meta is down 1.21. SoFi is up 4.9. IonQ is up 1.44. PayPal is down 2.75. Rolls-Royce up 6% today. I'm looking to get my money out of Rolls-Royce. They're now servicing all the planes, of course. So that's looking good. Right, we've got a good number watching right now. If I can ask all of you to do me a favour, and this is a free show. I go live 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hours a day. I think it's about 3 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon. It's like 6 hours a day. That's about right. About 6 hours a day. And I don't make any money from the live streams. I only make money from the videos. I do it as a service. And you're helping me by clicking the like button. It shows it to more people, so more people will see my actual produced videos. So if you wouldn't mind, give me a like if you're watching the show right now. Let's put a 1 minute on the clock, and let's see how many likes we can get in 1 minute. You ready? All right, let's go for it. Total ignorance, just give me a like. Thank you very much indeed. Smash the like button. Here's Mr. Mini-Me, one of my NFTs. Smash the like. Okay, Rolls-Royce is down, is up 5.19. Walmart down 0.83. Target is down 2%. Tesco is down 1.73. That's a huge drop for Tesco's. Canoe down 4.68. On is down 0.18. Tilray Brands 0.32. I'm down nearly 30% now. Wow. Where's Peru? Peru's here. It was up above the chat a minute ago. There we go. How many likes did we get? 14. How are you, Robbie Cooper? I am well indeed. I am well. I am well. Would you invest in IMPP? I don't know it. So that's the honest answer. So no, I wouldn't unless I've done my research. No, I don't know what it is right now. GSK down 3.32. Mark Forge is up 1.26 today. So let's look at our crypto right now. Now, Bitcoin SV is down 5.71, down a total of 7% now. Not looking great. Ethereum is up 0.74. And, Ethereum's up 3.52, I beg your pardon. BTC is up 0.74. Right, let's get back to our main position. So we're falling back down again now, so not a good time to get in. Everything's going back down. We are officially... You are officially in a bear market. Peru says, oh, Paul B, I guess that's what you get to help someone madly. What does that mean, Peru? I guess that's what you get to help someone madly. What's that? Did market profit steal Peru's... Oh, I see. When he went off... Right, okay. No, now we've got... most people in. What we've done today, as you can see, not everyone has a spanner. A spanner is a moderator. A moderator's job is to moderate the audience. That's all it's for. It's not there as a way to share links or nothing like that. We now do that on Discord. If there's something you want me to talk about, something you want to promote, if you are a sponsor or if you are a member and you have certain levels that allow for sponsorship, then you can share the links on Discord and I bring them into the chat. The spanner is primarily, and the purpose of it is to moderate people in the chat. That's what it's for. So over the last year, we've been monitoring who moderates, who does the moderator job, basically. And we've trimmed it down because there were too many moderators, because you can't moderate a moderator. It was like everyone was a moderator. So we looked at it and decided who moderates. And I've gone back through all the history and looked at who moderates, who has timed somebody out for bad language or whatever. And so we trimmed it down to the people that have actually moderated and given us just a handful of moderators. That's why. So the reason why you may not have a moderator thing now is not in any way reducing a privilege or a benefit or anything negative. It's because you probably never moderated and you only were using it for links. Well, you can share links anyway via Discord, and everybody uses Discord. It's far more easy. I can see what's coming in. I can share it on the screen and so on. I don't need the links in the chat. I can do it through Discord. It's far easier, better to do it that way. But it was getting to the point we had too many moderators. So all we did was look back and see who actually was moderating and protecting the channel from people saying silly stuff and all the rest of it. So that's basically what we've done. It's not a membership privilege or anything like that. So does that make sense? Does that make sense, everybody? All right. Paul B says Peru should be given elite status. Then, if he's not a spanner anymore, his name should be lit up in red. Well, that's what membership's for. That's what membership's for. I've now got a number of people that want to promote products on my channel, and there is a sponsor membership. So that's how we do it. Rather than like a lot of YouTubers, they will sell sponsorship. Nearly every YouTube channel does it. They'll talk about a product, promote a product because they've been paid to do it. It's a sponsorship, right? Rather than pay a big amount of money to do that, I say become a sponsor. And that way you can pay per month and you can cancel whenever you want. You get a better service because you get all the perks as well as a member, as opposed to just paying me some money. So that's what sponsorship level is. So if you want to promote your status in the show, then it's a sponsor level. If you have a product to promote or product to sell and so on and so forth. That way it's fair to everyone. But the moderator was purely for moderation, and we had too many and we had to trim it down. So we just looked and saw who was moderating and who was moderating. And that was it. That's basically it. I hope that makes sense to everybody. If anyone's got any questions, let me know. Where is Discord? Do we post links, etc.? Where in Discord do we post links, etc.? Right, you can post them, obviously. In fact, what I'll do, I think a good idea, that's a very, very good idea. I will create a channel in our members only section. So it's only members who will be able to see it. And let's do it now. Create a channel. We'll create a text channel. We'll call it links for YouTube. Okay, links for YouTube. Create a channel. It's a private channel. Yeah. Links for YouTube. Next. And it's for members only. And there we go. Okay. So now, if you want to, if you are a member and it's members only, because now we're getting so many members and so many sponsors and people that want to sponsor the channel, we have to have more of a structure. More of a structure. So here we go. In Discord, there is links for YouTube. Okay. All members can see it. Can see that. All members can see that. Okay. And if you are a member, you can see that channel and you can drop links into that channel. Does that make sense? You can drop links into that channel and then we can air them on the show. All right. Okay. Peru says, got it. When I used to live stream, I used to give moderators who support me and are here all day. Martyn has different rules. Yeah, well, that's not what moderator is for. It shouldn't be give moderation because someone tips you or gives you money or anything like that. Moderator is purely a way to control the integrity of the show. That's what it's for. Anyway, this channel is starting to get more famous than Elton John. Don't know about that. Right, S&P is dropping again, but trying to push up. Virgin Galactic is up 1%. If it may get his mine, it hits mine has never had a comment, so guess it's not looked at. I may get hits mine has never had a comment. Oh, I see. Very funny, Bill. Well, that's why everyone has their own channels. That's why you have your own channel, so you can share your thoughts and your, you know. Otherwise, it becomes spam. If you've got something to say that nobody else wants to listen to, and you can post it everywhere, that's called spam, Bill. People don't, you know, people choose to look at your stuff or they don't. You should never force stuff on people. It's not like I want to speak and no one listens, so I'm going to put it everywhere. There's no point to that. That's called spamming. That's called spamming. Nobody wants that. But there are people. I look at your channel. There's several people that look at your channel. Well, Paul, Peru hasn't got anything less than he had before. He wasn't moderating. I've gone through back all the history, and he wasn't moderating. So we had like 32 moderators, and we have an average of 35, 40 a stream. What is the sense of that? Because no one can moderate anyone. Everyone's the police, if you like. You can't arrest the policeman. It's like it's impossible. It's not a benefit or a privilege being a moderator. It's actually a responsibility to moderate, and you know. And just as a matter of, you say loyalty goes both ways. Because Peru has supported my channel so much, he gets membership benefits, and he's not a member. He's the only member who doesn't pay a membership. Everybody else pays a membership. So I recognize Peru's contribution to the show. That's why he has his own channel on Discord, and that's why he gets priority replies, and he's not even a member. So I think I've been extremely respectful to Peru. I think that makes sense, right? Anyway, Theodore says, fantastic, Mr. Martyn. Over here, video and audio seem more in sync again. Yeah, it's unfortunately over on Twitch, they don't do very, very well. They don't do well at a 4K stream. That's why YouTube is better. YouTube is our main channel for many, many reasons. But that's why Twitch doesn't work so well, because of the it doesn't like 4K resolution. What did Paul B say? Oh, I hear you, Martyn. I hear what you're saying, Martyn, and I do agree with you. To just think he's earned it regardless of whether he does or doesn't. So I appreciate what you're saying, but being a moderator isn't actually a privilege. It's a responsibility to do something, and Peru has benefits far exceeding moderation without even being a member. So there it is. For example, here's a perfect example. There you go. That's your moderator job right there, Paul. Thank you very much. Rivian having a bit of a bounce. I'm sure Peru isn't upset about it. He's a big boy. I'm sure he doesn't care. He's not the only one, by the way. I actually removed. I removed about 20 moderators. Peru wasn't the only one. There was over 20. We've got. I had something like 35 moderators. I think we've got about 10 now. So Peru wasn't the only one. There you go. When you get those, and the moderators, when you see those spams come in, and the best practice is not to delete but report. By reporting, it starts to not come back. If you simply delete, that's it. You did report, great. If you report, then hopefully it starts going away. There you go. Robinhood is down 0.35. McDonald's 0.53. Coca-Cola is down 2.86. So going forward as well, because I have received a number of people now who wish for me to promote certain apps, certain products, and so on and so forth. So what we're doing is we're going to respect their investment. So we're not just going to promote random stuff all over the place, willy-nilly sort of thing. If you want a product to promote an app or something, you either have to be a sponsor member or have sponsored the channel in another way. You might want to sponsor me, without being a member. You can do that. But we're not just going to promote products all over the place, because there are people now who want to pay to be a sponsor. So I can't be giving it away for free to everybody else. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. I've got a number of payment apps actually. I've got half a dozen payment apps that are negotiating with me to promote their products. I guess it's because we've been talking about Handcash so much. They want to promote their products. So if a sponsor pays me or becomes a sponsor member, I would have nothing that would conflict with someone else. So let's say, Cash App or Venmo want to sponsor my channel. I then wouldn't do Handcash. I'll do one or the other. But we don't just do it all over the place now, because we are getting requests and people are talking to me and asking me, would I promote this product? And I'm saying, yes, you can either pay me as a sponsor or you can be a sponsor member, whichever way is best for you. I don't mind. But that way, people don't get free promotion and manipulate the channel. Does that make sense? All right. All right, Paul B, I respect to everyone. I also understand that his channel and can be set up and he can set up the rules. I don't care about, I'm currently moderate 5 other channels currently as supporting a channel. That's right. Well, everyone runs their channel how they want. And I respect everyone to do it any way they want. And me and Peru are friends. We talk off air. We have conversations. But I don't want this to be about Peru. It's got nothing to do with Peru. There's over 20 people today who do not have moderator status anymore. Over 20. Peru is only one of 20. And it's got nothing to do with anything other than didn't ever moderate. That's it. Peru never moderated. So it's not about Peru or anybody else. All right, so please don't focus on that. Yes, I did see that, Sam. I put a video about the bear market yesterday. Would raising interest rates curb inflation? Well, raising interest rates It's supposed to curb inflation because it's supposed to slow down spending. But, you know, there we go. Any bonus for seniority? Yeah, Bill, of course. That's what memberships are for. That's what membership's for. You can be a sponsor and you can promote products on our channel as a member. We can't just make someone more important because there are people who pay to be a sponsor. Does that make sense? Robbie Cooper. Did anyone see Nancy Pelosi's husband's mugshot? He was arrested for drink driving last month. Oh dear, that's not good. Right, we are getting a bit of a bounce now into the close of IonQ. Yep, and the whole market is bouncing up a little bit. Zug Zug. Who loves BSV? It's one of my positions. Yep, here's Ethereum is up 3.92. BTC is up 1. And BSV is down today, 5.23. It is actually my biggest crypto position right now. So yes, it is my biggest position right now. So I do have BSV. Everything I talk about, I either have, this is my real money, or I will tell you if I'm sponsored to talk about something, all right? As I say, I've got several cash transaction companies today who contacted me and said, could we promote on your channel? So if I ever mention something like that or do a commercial, that's because I've got a sponsor, and I will tell you this is sponsored. All right? Everything else is my actual positions, my actual real money. Rob wants to join. Rob, how can I become a member, Martin? I've tried a few times, but I don't seem to be able to do it. Is it because I'm on a mobile? Yes. Well, on your mobile, you can become a member if you open the browser. Here is the invitation to join. It's below every one of our videos as well. There it is. Bronze, silver, gold, sponsorship or investor level. And you can go to your browser on your phone. So just open up Safari or Google on your phone and open the mobile website rather than the app, and you can become a member. Yes, or an iPad or a laptop. That's it. Thanks, Mike, for letting me know. Appreciate it. Amazon is down 1.01 today, but coming up. We are now, Apple's having a bit of a push. Hello, good afternoon, Paul. Good afternoon. Apple is up 1.02. So here we go. I'm going to keep an eye on this. We've got this new channel then for links for the show. If you wish to promote a product, you can share the links for YouTube here in this channel. Members only, of course. Another perk and benefit. And then we can bring it into the show. I had the same question. You will work it out. Yeah, there we go. Paddy, how are you this afternoon? Look at Apple now. Don't you look at Apple and think, oh, I wish I'd bought more. Good evening, Tom. If you rewind back the video, we opened the show today talking all about moderators and the fact we've removed 25 moderators today. And the reason why we've done it, scroll back and have a listen. There was a little bit of excitement that I've removed Peru, but I've actually removed 25 people as moderator, not just one. And the reason is those 25 wasn't actually moderating. Moderating is a responsibility. It's not a bonus or a privilege or anything like that. You can still share links into Discord as a member, but it's not actually a reward for anything. It's a responsibility, and we only kept the people that have actually been moderating. Hi, Martin. What stock are you most bullish on? Well, what do you define bullish as? Bullish means that you feel confident the stock's going to go up. Well, everything I have, I believe is going to go up. Otherwise, I wouldn't buy it. Oh, we've turned green again now. That's nice. I guess Virgin Galactic and Tesla, probably the most bullish assets I have. And I've got about 40 different stocks, and I've got 3 crypto: Ethereum, BTC, and BSV. That's all I have. BSV is my largest position at the moment. But my overall, the largest part of my portfolio is VU, Vanguard S&P 500. Pays a good dividend. It's got history behind it. I like it. It has the best companies in it. So there we go. SPCE. Why don't some of my comments come through? There's no reason why. I don't know why that might be. Every comment should come through. I read out all the comments, prioritized with members first. Rob Brennan, and become a member. There you go. You did it. Welcome, 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 Rob Brennan. Thank you very much indeed. You are a bronze member to the channel. You can now access all the Discord. So, as a bronze member, you get priority comments, highlighted comments. I reply to all your comments on my videos. There is exclusive content for our members only. You get an email from me for breaking news. You can have a birthday song for you or a loved one the day of, day before, or day after. Your birthday, so you can have that. Also, you can now see all the channels on Discord. And also, you're supporting the live shows. It's the live shows that are paid for by the members. Here is Discord. Are you already on Discord? If you're not, please do go over to Discord right now. It's free. It's part of your membership. And when you get over there, let me know what your Discord is, your username, and I will add you as a member so you can see all the members-only channels. And then you can talk to our angel investor, our secret millionaires, myself, off-air, 24/7 if you want to wake me up in the middle of the night. There you go. I found you through YouTube search for Virgin. Hey, great. Yeah, I rank #1 in the world now for Virgin Galactic. If you type in SPCE stock, I'm #1 in the world at the moment. At least I was a few days ago. I have a question about Handcash. What do you want to know? I'm not going to promote Handcash yet or talk about Handcash until it works fully on my app. The app doesn't work perfectly, so I don't want to endorse it on the show. And also, I've got a couple of companies that wished me to promote payment systems. So I'm not going to talk about it at the moment until the app is fixed or the deal is done with somebody who wishes for me to promote their product. So I'm not really talking about it right now. All right. Data on Monday from the Fed Reserve Bank of New York failed to confirm that deteriorating outlook and saw longer run inflation expectations hold steady at 3.9%, even as near-term expectation. Thank you very much, Sam. T-to-roll, I have a question. We all want space to go to at least 30. Oh, absolutely. My membership will rise with space share. Brilliant. Rob Brennan, have you gone onto Discord yet? Let me give you the Discord link. I want to make sure that you get your access to Discord. Okay. Okay. Once you've done that, let me know. Right, the overall portfolio has turned green. How are you feeling now, Martyn? I'm feeling all right, Tom. Thanks for asking. My Discord name is Robert1997. Okay, Let me go over there now. Are you already on our channel? You've got to sign in for me to see you. I don't see you. No, you're not on our channel just yet. No, I don't see you, but now I know your name. Right, if you go into it now and join using that link I gave you, here it is in the chat, you will appear, and I can manually, and we do it manually, I will make you a member so you can see all of the exclusive channels. So I'm in the welcome all screen now, and I don't see you, which means you may be on Discord, but you're not on our server yet. Yes, Tom, I can deal with that. Like I just said, if he goes in there now, I will see him pop up, and I will add him manually to the screen, to the server. I'm glad to see I'm back at 29,000 again. I want to get to 30,000. I hate this dodging around on 28,000 again. It's like my all-time low. I don't want to be there again. Very tempting to pick up. In fact, it's not. I'm not tempted at all to buy these dips. I mean, look, Virgin Orbit. I mean, that is basically nearly half the price what I paid for it. Bloody hell. But I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to get myself into debt like that to over-invest. You can over-invest. Doesn't matter how good something is. I know you might go, well, yeah, but if it goes up, you can flip it. But you have to be very, very careful. Arrival is up 2.65. 48 hours till my spaceport visit. There we go. Tom is going to go down to the spaceport, Virgin Orbit in Cornwall. That's where I plan to be in October if I get the funding. I pressed the link, but that just took me to the App Store. Can I message you on Discord? I pressed the link, but that just took me to the App Store. Yeah, because you need to get Discord. You said you were already on Discord. You need to get onto Discord. Okay, you need to get onto Discord. Yeah, get the Discord app and get onto Discord. And yes, that's where we are. This is what this is here. This is Discord. These are all the channels. And but you just said you've got a Discord ID. So if you've got a Discord ID, you've already got Discord. All right. Amazon's trying to push up. Thanks for taking care of the spam, guys. Thank you. Apple is up 1%. I want to welcome our guests over there on TikTok this afternoon. Thanks for all the follows. We've nearly got 18,000 followers now. I think 17.3 now. Thank you very much for your follows. If you want to come and join all our traders, our angel investors, the secret millionaires, they're all here on youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Come and join us. The link's in the profile as well, just here. I do have one, but for some reason when I pressed accept invite, it took me to the App Store rather than my Discord app. I'll try and figure it out. Okay. Maybe you don't have the app. That's why it's trying to download it. Looks like BSV brings you lots of business opportunities. We wish you'll be humble even if you get 100,000 subscribers. Sometimes sudden overnight fame can change someone. Looks like BSV brings you lots of business opportunities. We wish you will be humble. We wish you will be humble even if you get 100,000 subscribers. Sometimes sudden over Peru. You should know me better than that. I've been the world piano man. I've toured for 35 years. In the last 2 years, I've been cancelled due to COVID. I've sold out theatres. If I had 1 million subscribers, it wouldn't change anything. I've been famous. I've toured all over the world. The difference between YouTubers who have never had any fame and then think they're famous because they're on YouTube is very different to how I feel about YouTube, because I've been performing since I was 16 when I left school. If I had 1 million subscribers on YouTube, it wouldn't change a damn thing. I will always be open, honest, fair, decent. I won't get egotistical at all. I wouldn't get carried away. I'd be excited and feel great, but I wouldn't change. I'll always be humble. The moment you're not humble, people are not interested in you. But you know, why'd you say that? You've never said anything like that before on the show. Why are you saying that? Zug is Craig Wright Satoshi. Well, I don't know, but that's what the BSV market believes, and it could well be the case. No one knows for sure. Craig Wright claims he's Satoshi. He could well be. There's every reason to think he is, but I don't know. Not for sure. Not 100%. But I don't know, honestly. Nice one, Rob. Sam, what do you mean you just got rid of spam for me? You can't. You're not a moderator. What do you mean by that? Yeah, Peru, I'd like to understand what you're implying there. I don't know what you mean by that. Sudden overnight fame. I worked for it for 30 years to get where I was with the World Piano Man and the theatres and stuff like that. Anyway. I don't know how you can, Sam. You're not a moderator. You can't report people in the chat. I don't know what you mean. It's not possible. Now, in 12 days and 16 hours and 36 minutes, we're going to do a special, it's our 1 year anniversary on the channel, and we'll do a special show that day. And then when we finish, we're going to send you all to Tom's channel for an after show party. Tom's our DJ, and we're going to have a lot of fun, but it's going to be a big day that day. I'm very excited about it. SoFi is up 5.61. IonQ is up 2.54. Queen of Self-Braiding is here. How are you? 6.6% up on Rolls-Royce. I am looking to exit Rolls-Royce. I'm still down 8.9. I would like to get out of it. A lot of money just tied up there, not doing anything. Walmart is down 2.6. We've got 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. Things are just bouncing around. We are green, though, just for the day. Oh, no, we're red again. It's been quite a slow day. How am I doing this afternoon? Yes, I'm well, Queen. How are you? I am well. Virgin Orbit is down 5.8. What does that comment mean? Paul B, shotgun rounds firing right now. What do you mean by that, Paul? I'm unsure what you mean. Tesla is up 2.37. I'd like Peru to answer as well. I didn't understand what he was saying. I didn't get that. I didn't get that comment there. It seems a bit strange to me. Sudden overnight fame. See, I don't actually, personally, I don't even think fame is YouTube. If I'm totally honest, I would love to have a global audience. I already do, but I'd love to have 1 million people. But that, I don't regard that as fame, if I'm honest. It would just be wonderful to have. I don't see it as... I think YouTubers would all get carried away because they've got 1 million people watching them. I don't see that as fame at all. I just see that as some success, and that's it. I bought some Tesla, 690 calls for July. Oh, right, there we go. Tesla, it's up 2.13. Right, Rob, are you over on Discord yet? Ah, is this you? We've just got this one come in. Rob, is this you? Is that you? Just tell me that. Confirm that is you. And the reason why I ask is so nobody else can pretend to be you. And I can make you a member, and then you'll see all the channels because you are a bronze member now. Can you just confirm with me that is you? Yes, it is. All right. Okay. So now what I will do, Rob, I will make you a member. You see here, I make you a member. There. All right. All right. Okay. No, Paddy, not even looked at the music of the night. Tom, ready for the party. I'll upgrade my membership when space hits $7. Yeah. Let's have a look where we are right now. We've got 1 minute to go. Welcome to the family. Hi, Zach. How are you? We've just got, more importantly, how's the... Very well, Sam. Just as we've got Zach coming in at the end as well. Evening, folks. Too many Robs. Hi. Now we've got everybody in. I just repeat what I said at the beginning of the show because some people are a bit confused about it. We had a clean out today of the moderators. The moderators is not a bonus or appreciation or you're a superstar or a rock star. It's a responsibility to moderate. And we had too many moderators. Nearly everybody in the show was a moderator. And the purpose of moderating is to moderate. That means delete bad comments, stuff like that. So I actually deleted about 25. We had over 30. And we got now about 10 left, and we deleted most. And the reason for doing it is we looked at it and saw who had been moderating, who had actually been moderating. How do we delete people? So we went through and we deleted the people that have never moderated, don't moderate. So there's no purpose. So we removed the moderator status. Now there's been a bit of upset. Why did I unmoderate Peru? Peru gets many benefits. He gets benefits as our angel investor, even though he's not a member. He's not a paid member at all. He's not a paid member, but he gets membership status. And I even have promoted some products for him. He's not a sponsor member either. But because he supported our channel so kindly, I knew everybody would be happy with that. So I did that. But there's a bit of upset with why have you done that? Well, because moderator is for moderating. It doesn't stop him from posting links. He does it on Discord, and I bring it in via Discord. There was no point, and it wasn't about Peru. I've actually removed about 25. So nearly all of you, including Zach. Zach doesn't need to be a moderator. He's never moderated the channel, but he's a member and he still has all the benefits and bonuses. Peru even has his own channel on Discord, even though he's not a member. So I don't know why some of you were upset about it. I know Peru isn't bothered, but I am concerned why Peru made that comment earlier, and I'd like to know what he means, but he's not replied, so I can't answer, can I? I really should have spoke to him. Paul, there's 25. I've deleted 25 moderators. 25. I can't message everybody and ask everybody if it's okay if I take away moderator status. How can I do that? So I wish people would understand here. What is this fascination with the moderator status? Bill, it's not an honorary position to be a moderator. A moderator is to delete posts that are spam. That's it. The 25 we deleted never deleted any spam. That's it. He does get honorary membership. He does have his own channel. He does get promoted in the stream. That's it. But this is my show. This is my channel, and I have to be fair to everyone, not to promote one person above all else. That's not what I'm here to do. And that's why Peru likes the channel, because it is real and honest and fair. And Peru, I'm sure, understands that. But I can't ask everyone's permission. Should I delete someone's moderator status? Should I? Anyway. Anyway, we'll move on now. The bell is now gone. I just want to explain it. I can't explain it if I haven't done it correctly. I'm sorry. Bill, you can't give someone honorary membership. YouTube doesn't allow you to do that. It's not possible. But Peru gets all the benefits as a member without even being a member. You are very humble and interactive with all members and non-members. I don't understand what the drama is about. I don't understand what it's about. But thank you for understanding. I commit everything to my audience. And I can't understand how anyone can be upset that I'm not doing enough. No one could do more. I go live more than anyone. I give more than anyone. You lost yours, Bill, because you kept deleting people. That's the reason why we took it away for you, Bill. You kept deleting people all the time. I don't know. Right. Right then, we've just about come to the end of the show. It looks like the stocks have just gone back to where we started today. Hiya Zug Zug. I'm not talking about Handcash today because Handcash and there's several other platforms are talking to me about sponsoring the channel. So I can't talk about it. And also at the moment, the app doesn't work for me. So that's why I'm not talking about it. Jason says, I can't be a moderator for you. Sorry, I have enough trouble moderating myself. Brilliant. That's quite funny. I like that. Anyway, we're going to wrap up today's show. We're back in the morning. The good news is the market ended up back where we started from. It's down very, very slightly. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's find out who won today. So if you've just tuned in this afternoon, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. And we'll have a roundup of all the stocks, day trade of the day, right after we hear from one of our sponsors. Here we are. We'll be right back in just 1 second. Here we go. You may have seen an ad. You may have not. If you didn't, you're still in a good place. Okay. So, day trader of the day. So here we go. We'll look at this now. I am down. .10%. Somehow up 2.62. I'm down 0.1%. So that's not too bad, is it? $27. We've had worse days. We've had a lot worse days. That's quite encouraging, I suppose. So let's give everybody a timer, 1 minute, and let's get all the scores on the doors. Here we go. Exactly as the same close. Lost today, but down a tweet, but almost 1%. Okay, that puts me in the lead then. At the moment, Uzumaki, hope you are and the family are doing well. Always giving 110%, Martin. Stay awesome. Thank you, Uzumaki. Thank you so much indeed. Down 0.07. And Bill has smashed it again. He's up 23.5. Bill, this cut, we got to make an adjustment here. You can't do it on one stock. It has to be your overall portfolio. But I guess he's only got one stock now. That's what Bill's done. He's only got one stock. All right. Okay, here we go. It looks like Bill has won it again. Uzumaki is down 0.6, up 0.79. Yeah, I believe you. Down 6.8. I believe you, Bill. I saw your post earlier. It's because you only have one stock, though. I don't know. We need an overall portfolio. If you've only got one stock, it's not the same. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna add that as a rule, right? If you've only got one stock, you know, you know, I know you've only got one stock now. So who's above that? Up 2.63. You have 4 stocks now, do you? Okay. Okay, let me give it to you then. All right, Bill, we're going to give it to you then. If you got 4 stocks, I guess that's 10. Still right. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up and a big round of applause. All right. Shooby-dooby-doo-wah. Nice one, Bill. Congratulations to you. Okay, did I just see someone said Paul sent me a message? Paul B sent you a message on Discord. Let's have a look. Where is it? Is it in the links? Where is it? I don't see any messages in Discord. I've just been told Paul B has sent me a message in Discord and I don't see the message. So does anyone know any good sources? Oh my God, don't even start. Don't even start. Tom, where is the message you're talking about? You said Paul Paul B sent me a message in Discord. I'm in Discord, and I don't see any messages at all. Yeah, I got your message, just waiting for Peru to agree for me to send it to you. Paul B, I didn't send you a message either. Just waiting for Peru to agree for me to send it to you. What do you mean? Tom, CMV Studio, can you clarify what's going on? I'm confused. There's no messages. Direct between me and Paul. Well, why'd you tell me I've got a message then? I don't get it. All right. I think we just come to the end of the show then, but I'm going to hold a second then. Is someone trying to get me a message or not? Otherwise, we're going to wrap up the show. What? No, it's mirrors, right? I have no idea. Okay, so we're going to wrap up the show there. We are back in the morning for the opening bell. It's been an okay day today. You know, we've reached the bottom perhaps. Thank you for your stream today, Martin and Rob. It's my absolute pleasure. Today's been a little bit uncomfortable, if I'm honest. Few people have reacted in a way I didn't expect. Now we've got all these messages going on behind the scenes, if I'm totally honest. I don't really understand what is going on. But I will continue to be open and honest with everyone. I hope I explained the memberships, the moderations perfectly. Bit confused what's going on behind the scenes, but it is what it is. All right, okay, I'm going to take a short break, and I'll be back in the morning. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. Remember, guys, it's just money. We're all richer than 99% of the world anyway. The fact we sit here with internet, water, a roof over our head, we already have more than 99% more than anyone else on the planet. That's a fact. Yes, we did lose market profit today. He got annoyed with all the BSV conversation. But there we go. Try to make the show balanced for everyone, and it is what it is. I wish you all a very pleasant evening, and I'll see you all back in the morning. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.